How to add baggage to booking trip.com. Hi everybody, in this guide I'm going to show you the procedure to add baggage on trip.com. For that, you want to open up your trip.com app onto your device, after which you just want to go to the home page. From the home, you want to click on accounts from the left right hand side corner of the screen, and here you want to go to the upcoming section to see your booked tripping. So you could click on upcoming at the menu bar, and then you could find all your booking and all that stuff. Then you want to select the flight that you want to add baggage to. Next, you just want to tap on the flight status to view more details. Find the baggage details. Tap on Add Baggage Allowances on the next page. Choose the extra baggage allowances you need and follow the prompt to purchase it. Or that's how you'll be able to add baggage to booking. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.